Alright guys, I just wanted to give you a little bit of an update on all the modifications I have done on my 2022 CRF1100L DCT Africa Twin. What a mouthful it is. I've had this bike since December 2022. Now is end of June 2024 and I've done 25,000 kilometers on it. And been to Laos, all over Thailand. Home base is in Bangkok in Thailand. And yeah, I really love this bike and just wanted to show you a couple mods that I have done. Some of the immediate ones that you can see right away are the lights, the PR lights here. And then the PR lights right there, obviously on each side. These are daytime running lights, both of them, and they are connected to the Hex EZcan that I have under the seat, which is connected to the bike's ECU, so I can control all the lights through the control panel over here. They work really well, and they're completely adjustable. Brightness is 100% adjustable based on daytime or nighttime riding. Here we have an LED as well, that is a rear running light as well as a brake light that flashes once I hit the brakes. The cable is running down right here. You will see I have here on the side, these are the SW Motec clip-on carriers here on the side. Very easy to just screw on and off within seconds. And then I added the Krieger plate here, so I can put my Krieger side panniers on there. Here we have the SW Motec toolbox. Oops. And inside I can store obviously all my tools that I need, plus the pump, electronic air pump for my tires. So that's that. Those are really nice. I love it because personally I don't really like riding around with these carriers if I don't need them, so I can just take them off really easily, and they're extremely sturdy, so there's no problem with putting heavy things on there as well. And they're obviously here with the Krieger plate extremely versatile. You can put pretty much anything on there. Then we have the Shed SH58X. This box is extendable. Now it is in smallest position, which I think is maybe 48 liters, and we can go up to 58 liters if needed. So it just, as you can see here, it just shifts up. Inside are some clips. This is not really a mod, this is just my tank bag. This is, I think, the Day City SW Motec Day Pack, if I'm not mistaken. Tiny mod of AliExpress, just protection for the brake fluid. What else? Oh yeah, okay, then we have the crash bars themselves. This is the first thing I put on. These are from a brand here in Thailand, SRC. Very, very good. It only fell once. It was one time in Laos on a very steep gravel hill. I've protected the bike pretty well. My friend has the same on the same bike. Also protected the bike pretty well, and as you can see here, also the engine is very well protected. So I'm really happy with those. Now I have these side bags on there for rain gear. Then obviously we have the Barkbusters. Also one of the first things I changed. One of my friends, he fell and the original ones immediately broke, and the original ones are just plastic here on the side, also it's just not strong enough. Barkbusters are just really solid. Then I got a I redid my seat. So inside, this is the original seat, but inside we put gel, and that's really comfortable. And then a new leather cover. This is done by a brand here in Thailand. I don't know if you can see that, called Raceline. I just sent the seat to them with the messenger, and they sent it back within a day or two. And then a couple smaller things. You can't really see this inside. GPS tracker, and oh yes, a camera system. So here we have the rear camera that's running all the time when the ignition is on, and here is the one in the front. So that is just recording data all the time in case there are accidents ahead or just some funny situations coming up that I would like to have recorded. Now I have them. What else? Oh yes, and I have these pads here on the side. They're also from AliExpress. Not expensive. And then I believe that's it. The final thing here is the Scottoiler. Basically, it's the X model. Oil runs down here, goes down there, and then comes out over there, and you can adjust it. You can adjust the flow, and I've had this chain now for 25,500 kilometers without any issues. So I don't really have to maintain the chain at all. Just once in a while I give it a good scrub if it's really dirty. But yeah, that's, I believe, about it. And I haven't really done any modifications for many months on the bike because I think I'm done. Oh yeah, for the sorry, one more thing, the brakes, I put in ECB brake pads here in the front and also in the rear. ECB brake pads are really good. They don't squeak at all. The Africa Twin is known to squeak in the front when you brake, especially on a downhill. These ones don't squeak at all. One tiny thing here, that's the Fobo. This is a tire pressure sensor that connects to my iPhone, and in case the pressure is really low, I get a notification on my phone, pretty loud one, that says, hey, you gotta fill up the air in the tire. And I can also see it on my Apple CarPlay on the display here. Yeah, that's about it, I would say. I hope you enjoyed this, and maybe it gives you some ideas of what you can do or not do. And if you have any questions, let me know. I will be happy to help out. Thank you very much for watching this video, and if you like this, give it a thumbs up. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye. Here's the other one to replace the original OEM horn. Here in Thailand, you need these horns, especially with those really big trucks driving around, and they don't really pay attention at all. And these horns they're just really loud, and I love them. And they are linked to the Hex EZcan as well. So if I hit the horn button, the two horns go off, and also all of these 4 lights here in the front, they flash several times, really bright, so you get full attention. It's absolutely maximized, and I love it. And I think the Hex EZcan is a must-have device if you add some lights and horns and so on to the bike. So that's just one more thing. And yeah, tires. I'm running the Anarchy Adventures, as you can see. They're really good, especially on tarmac. Obviously gravel as well, they're pretty good. It's the front tire. I've had this one now for I think 12,000 kilometers, and you can see it's still good for several thousand to go. And then the rear, also the Anarchy adventure. I still have a little bit to go, so they're really good, except in mud and on wet grass. You just slip with those, but that's to be expected with tires like these. Yeah, that's about all. Thank you.